Alright, so for the proxies I use myprivateproxy.net. I think that these proxies work the best for what we need them for, because they are always working and very cheap. So first you go to the tab Private Proxies, and then you can select your package. I suggest you choose a larger package straight away because you will notice very soon that you will need a lot of accounts. It will be cheaper to buy one big package instead of a couple small ones. So let's say you choose for package 20. They give you 2 extra, so you will have 22 proxies to start with. Next, you click on Get Started, and then it's important that you choose the use case. Obviously, you want to select Facebook because we're going to use it to host Facebook profiles, and then choose the proxy location. For this, you want to choose United States, since most profiles are stronger there, and we want to act as if our accounts are managed from the United States. Then you just continue and you buy the proxies. Once you have bought your package, you will get access to 22 or more depending on which package you chose, proxies, and here you will see all the details. So the proxy IP address, your username, password, and port. Now, it is important that you fill in these details in the sheet I showed you in the previous video. This way, you keep everything structured correctly. Okay, once you have your proxies, we need to host them on an anti-detect browser. Now, there are a lot of anti-detect browsers you can choose from. At the end of the day, they do all the same, but you might like one better than the other, or the pricing is better. So this is up to you. As you can see here, there are a lot of them. I prefer to use Dolphin Anti. The user interface is very nice, and they also have extra options to use with Facebook. So choose the one you like, make an account and install it so you can connect the proxies. Alright, now that we have our sheet in place and we have downloaded the anti-detect browser, what you want to do is connect your proxies with the anti-detect browser. So as you can see, this is one of my accounts, and I already have some connected profiles and proxies on here. After creating an account with any of the anti-detect browsers, which will almost look the same on any other software, you need to add a new profile, and you're going to name it. So, as we seen in the sheet, we named it User1. Now, after you have named the user, the next thing you want to do is select the OS or the operating system you are on. Because I'm on a MacBook right now, it is best I select the Mac OS. If you are on Windows, you should select the Windows OS. Next up, you want to enter the proxy. So from the My Private Proxy website, you can see your proxy details like I showed before. The way you should fill it in is very simple. By just typing the host, so it's the IP address, then the port, then the login and the password. That should be it. You connect that, you fill all the details in, then you have some other options. You can select the specific platform. I leave this at none. You can fill in all the data, but I leave this just like it is. Once that is done, you click on Create, and then you have created your profile. I'm not going to create it right now because I already have profiles I can show you. So once you have created your profile, you want to start it up. Now, once you start it up, as you can see, I already have connected my Facebook, but in your case, you should land on Google. Now, before you're going to connect your Facebook account, it is important that you give the proxy browser a bit of cookies, because otherwise it's going to look suspicious to Facebook. If you're going to log in from a browser that has never looked up anything before. So, we want to make it look as normal as possible. So what you can do is search up the news. And you want to act like we're just a normal person checking the news, gathering some cookies. Just click on some random news articles and scroll around. You should do this for 5 minutes. It's also a good idea to click on some ads. These are most of the times marked with sponsored. Just click on some ads and go through the lander. Okay, now once you have done that for 5 minutes, the account is warmed up, and you can start to add the Facebook account. In the next video, I will explain you how to do it the right way to avoid getting flagged or banned right away.